How to check Heartland bank loan balance online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to check Heartland bank loan balance online. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to any of your browser and simply search in for heartlanddigital.com, and once you're inside here, you can just open the application if you have one. But if you are using or accessing via any browser just like me, then you can just head over to this website and then make sure you have successfully logged into your account. If you haven't had a new previous account, you can just tap on this new user account to successfully create a new one, and you can also apply for loan there. And once you successfully logged into your account, just navigate to the account page where your loan balance and other account details will be displayed. So once you successfully logged in or locate your accounts page, this is where you will find a summary of all your accounts including your loan. So click on your loan account to view a more detailed summary and including the current balance. And please note that the transactions from the past 5 business days may not be immediately visible. So with that in mind, that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.